For the Karnataka government and BBMP, it's not much of a problem if citizens of Bengaluru have to go through a bumpy ride, almost like a roller coaster on a day-to-day basis, and in some cases even break a few bones and die because of killer potholes. But when Prime Minister Modi and German Chancellor Angela Merkel visit the city on Monday and Tuesday, their drive from the airport to their respective destinations will be a smooth one thanks to a prioritized road repair work undertaken by the BBMP, with even the BBMP Commissioner visiting the route to ensure that the work is done up to the mark. Clearly in Bengaluru, only a VVIP visit will ensure that the roads are back to how they're supposed to be. With Padmanabh Rao in Bengaluru, Pooja Prasanna for Times Now.
Actually, whenever the Prime Minister visits any place, the civic authorities ensure that roads are good and clean. Of course, they should ensure that other roads are also clean all the time. They only wake up when a VIP comes. This precedent should be changed. The corporation has got responsibility to see that civic amenities are provided to all the 1 crore people of Bangalore. They wake up only when some VIP movements are there. This is not fair. But I don't say what they are doing tomorrow. I'm not opposed to it, because the German Chancellor is coming and the Prime Minister is coming. We definitely need to present a good picture of Bangalore. But the corporation should ensure that picture should be reflected everywhere.
Many citizens are extremely angry that the route that the Prime Minister Modi will be taking today and tomorrow, that route, there has been work done at a very, very fast level to ensure that the speed breakers and the potholes are filled up, while the rest of the people have to struggle and it takes forever to finish basic work.
No, this is whenever the VVIPs comes. Correct. And it is all inevitable.
Right.
It is all inevitable.
Okay. Will the same time...
Anyway, we have to bear it.
Pooja is joining us for more on this story. Pooja, well, the state minister themselves are saying that, well, this is the norm that we follow if a VVIP is coming to the city. At least on the brighter side, some of the roads in Bangalore will finally be fixed.
Absolutely. In fact, the joke on the road is citizens are inviting these VIPs to come to various parts of the city to ensure that those roads too are fixed, But on a more serious note, looks like the government is only interested in pleasing the VIPs that are coming tomorrow, making sure that the city looks presentable to the Prime Minister and, of course, the German Chancellor. But for the people who are actually the voters, be it the state government or BBMP, and the people who pay the tax and ensure that the state coffers are filled, for them, what they have is bumpy roads, some places where the road is not even visible. And, it doesn't matter if people fall and break bones, and 3 deaths, in fact, in less than 1.5 months. These are not things that are important. Only a VIP deserves a smooth drive here in Bengaluru. That's the message.